You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names for more confusing names pronounced and names that too many people get wrong. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Make sure to stay tuned, we got tons more. Most common pronunciation in English is as Aanya. Yes, it's quite commonly in India. Aanya, not Anaya. That's annoying. I mean, it could be. Do you pronounce it Anaya yourself? Let us know in the comments. Aanya. I believe it's Russian origin too. Aanya. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.